All right, cut it. Cut it!
All right, hold it.
What is that idiot doing?
What's that idiot doing?
I just asked the same question.
What's the answer?
I don't know. I didn't tell him to do it.
No,
Can
look,
he
you're
get
the
himself-
director. It was your idea to bring him over here from India. Now, you better start telling him what to do or we're going to be out of business. Now, go ahead. Come on.
Charlie,
Yeah?
You ready? Action! Cut! Damn it! Cut!
Mr. Bakshi,
Yes, sir.
has it occurred to you that the period of our picture is 1878?
Oh, yes, indeed, sir. I'm well aware that that is the period of the film, 1878.
Mr. Bakshi, are you also aware that 1878, they weren't wearing underwater watches.
Yes, sir, I know that. They had not even been invented.
Got the time?
Yes, it's... Oh, my God.
All right, lunch, everybody.
Lunch, that's 42 on the crew, 1 hour for the car.
Okay, guys, the cue for the demolition is when I lower my hand like this, okay?
Yes, sir.
Look, guys, we got one shot at this. Let's get it right.
Okay.
Okay, Kenny, let's go.
All right, places, everybody.
Honey, look, I just spoke to Clutterbuck on the phone. He says if we don't wrap this location today, it's your neck.
No problem. All we have left is to blow up the fort.
Okay. Great.
Okay, Ken, let's go.
All right, Carol, Earl.
All right, stand by.
You. Yes, you. You get off of my set and get out of my picture. Off. Out. You're through. You're washed up. You're finished. I'll see to it you never make another movie again.
Does that include television, sir?
I'll kill him. I'll kill him.